Welcome to Etabs Insight. In this tutorial, we will see how to define shear walls in Etabs. Before that, we will see what is shear wall. Shear walls are the structural member which is used to resist the lateral loads or forces, either it from wind or earthquake. When we compare with the columns are also a structural member which is used to resist the compression force of the column. However, the columns are very weak in the case of lateral loads, buckling loads or shear loads. As per Indian standard, the minimum thickness of the wall shall be of 100 mm. When we can tell whether it is column or shear wall, shear walls are the rectangular element with the length to thickness ratio is greater than or equal to 4. Here is some example are given here. Now let us see what are the uses of shear wall. Generally, shear walls are used in the lift portion when an architect doesn't allow the columns. In an architectural plan, if the columns are disturbing, that time we can use shear wall as per the required size and shapes. And in high risk zone, that is in the earthquake zone, to avoid the torsion in a building, we can use shear walls. Let us see how to define shear walls. Go to define section property, wall section. In this, add new property, write the name of the shear wall, 20 as a grade, concrete grade, SW as the shear wall, and thickness I am giving 300. Wall material as M20, grade of the concrete, and 300. Here modeling type is shear thin only. Click OK. Here it is. Click OK. Now go to draw floor or wall object. In this, these are the shear wall commands. There are 3 commands. Outside it is shortcut also given here. Let us click draw walls. In this, change the property as 300, and this option is very helpful in drawing freely anywhere in the structure. Let's keep all story. Like this. Or second option, that is quick draw walls. If you want the walls in a column to column, there is, here it is like this. You can draw all the walls. If you want wall as a 3 meter, in this control type there is an option called fixed length. You have to write the dimension what you want. It is in mm, like 3 meter. Now you can see it shows only 3 meter. You can see in the elevation. In this way, we can define shear wall in Etabs. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.